Today we'll be discussing VPNs and how to use them. What is a VPN? A VPN, or a virtual private network, creates a private network from public Wi-Fi, which makes you anonymous on the internet. For a small monthly fee, it helps you secure your online privacy, so your private information and browsing habits are protected. Beyond securing your connections, certain VPNs can be used to connect your device to servers outside of your actual location. This can be handy for hiding your location, but also for getting access to certain online content that may not be available in your region. Such as if you're watching Netflix, you might get access to like some Japanese shows if you turn on the VPN into that region, of course. What is the purpose? Simply put, a VPN is useful when you want to access websites or other online services that are not available from your own location. For example, if you are a Canadian and you would like to subscribe to Hulu, which is only available in the US, you would be able to do so by buying a VPN. Downloading a VPN. Today, we will talk about how to download a VPN onto your computer and phone, since the process is slightly different depending on the type of device. There will be separate slides for each. The first step to find and download a VPN. The first step is to find and download a VPN. We will show you some VPNs that are known to be trustworthy. NordVPN. NordVPN has a strong security features and a very large network of its service, meaning you can contact far and wide, starting $371 a month. ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is super concerned about privacy and it may be the largest breadth of service, allowing you to connect to basically anywhere in the world. It is on the pricier side, however, and if you don't need all that access, a simple VPN is better, starting $667 a month. TunnelBear VPN. This kind of VPN is simple, safe, and affordable. It has great reviews and is a trusted VPN, starting $354 a month. Surfshark VPN. Unlimited devices on an account and great features comes at a higher price for Surfshark, starting at $11.95 a month, which is one of the pricier ones. Proton VPN. This is a simple VPN, but it does offer a free version, which is the best possible free version out there. And if you want to get more of the content and access, you have to pay $5 a month. Mullvad VPN. Mullvad is a simple and straightforward VPN at a reasonable price, starting $5 a month. CyberGhost VPN is a good VPN with strong privacy measures, a large network, and it allows for simultaneous connections. It is pricier though, as you can see, $12.99 a month. Downloading a VPN. You can download any of these VPNs on your computer from the websites or from your built-in app store. Just make sure you are on the right websites. On your phone, you can download the apps we showed you using your smartphone's app store. The apps will work much the same of both devices. Setting up a VPN. We will use ExpressVPN in this example. If you go to expressvpn.com or download the app, you will first create an account on the website. On the homepage, click Get Started and select the plan. As you can see, these are all the plans. For 15 months, you pay $667 per month. Setting up a VPN. If you want to use the VPN on your phone, open the app and simply sign in to the account that you've already created. If you've bought it, you can transfer your purchase onto your phone and use the same accounts. You'll be asked if you want to share app reports with ExpressVPN. You can select OK or no thanks. The app will ask you to set up a connection on your device. Click OK. This gives it permission to set up your VPN. You can now connect to your VPN. It is simple. When you're ready to use a VPN, just tap the power button and it will turn on. You can also select a different location than where you are at the bottom the screen. Over here, as you see, this is where you're able to change the locations. The VPN is on when the power button is green. To turn it off, just hit the power button again. Other VPNs. All VPNs look a bit different, but many of them will be pretty straightforward, like ExpressVPN. If you have security software on your computer already, it might come with a VPN, or else you may be able to upgrade to get one. So check that out before downloading something new.